everyone. My name is Angie from Gifts by Angie, and today I want to test out new products. I finally got my Epson 8550, and I also got the PYD Life Mini Sublimation Oven. So I want to test some things out, and I have a couple of orders to complete. So let's get started. We're going to go into our Canva design. We're going to create a design. We're going to do custom. So it's always good to measure your tumblers. I always do it a little bit bigger because that's like a cut in this one. But it's good to always, because you can take away, you can't add on to it, if that makes sense. So I always use the 9.2 by 8.3. Okay, Canva don't want to load. Okay, there we go. So we're going to come over here to uploads. I have everything uploaded that I want to use. I'm going to start with the autism one. I have a co-worker whose daughter is autistic, and I thought this would be pretty cool for her to have a nice tumbler. So it's pretty simple. You just size it out to fill a page. I personally try not to leave white, but it seems like it's not going to work. So you just come up here to share, download. You hit the drop down and go to PDF print. And then you hit download. Download again. Yes, I'm on the iPad, guys, tonight. And there it is. You can also save your projects. And since I already have that downloaded for time's sake, I'm just going to delete this. There we go, guys. Now that is a lot better. So as you see, it comes out dull, but of course it's sublimation. So as we all know, once the heat hit it, it will brighten up and become vibrant. All right, guys, I am back. The first cup is fully wrapped around the rim and the bottom. You want to make sure that it's as tight as possible. I did find the cutter. Well, I didn't find out who it was. Here's the cutter I was saying. I'm going to look carefully. Make sure it's not smudging. There's a little bit smudging on this side, so this will be the side that will be up against the cup. So I'm going to cut it. Still a little white, but the cuts are more precise. Since you want nice clean cuts. Still some white. I'd be scared. I'm gonna cut the picture, so it takes me a few goes, a few tries, a couple of cuts to get it to right where I need it to be. For fear of cutting too much. See, a lot better than my cutting, correct? Lot better. So you want to do that for all sides. measure off. Okay. So for the side that you leave the white on, you I trim that as I go. Because that's pretty much your goal, to make your adjustments. But I will cut a little off, not a lot, just a little. And I know it's too big, so see, just leave a little bit. Move this out of the way. Worry about cup. Get the measuring. Make sure everything's nice and even. It's not even. Can't just be me. And now I'm lining it up. Real messy. You know? A little. There's a lot along the line. Let's take a little bit more off the bottom. Just a little bit. And that's why I said I'd rather have too much than too little. Because if you have too little, you have to reprint. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect, perfect. So that is a lot of white. The white comes all the way over here. I have not mastered. I know some people can cut it to a T and they just put them seams together. Like they can line them seams up perfectly. I have to do an overlap. Again, shout out to Angel B for showing that hack. I'm gonna see if I did it right and work. We'll know in due time. Yep, that is perfect. This is so important because I had it perfect and of course I moved. That can also cause ghosting. And always remember the part that you cut all the white out is your part that goes down on the tumbler. Okay. I said before. tape, secure everything in the middle. Pressure. I must have used that little piece of tape. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Remember what I told you? When you record, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. So you want this as smooth as possible. So when you see the wrinkles that you just move it up and down until it gets straight. Then you will have a wrap like this. Now I'm gonna do the other cup. As I said, I guess I need to hit play. There we go. Now it's warming up. About to do the other cup. I'm over here knocking stuff down. It's the neck roller. I have no idea. I don't know, it's the other shrink right there. All right, it is done. Putting on my gloves. We're going to have to let this sit for about 20 minutes. And I will come back for the final review. Ooh. I hope the teeth didn't mess that up. This is what you want to see. Yes, these are hot, so please be very, very careful. You want to see. And don't do what I just did, because I'm trying to get them stuck together. That can also cause ghosting. I learned that the hard way. Set them down. Let them cool off. And cut the heat press off. Sublimation out. And I will be back for the final reveal once everything is cooled off. All right, it is done. Putting on my gloves. We're going to have to let this sit for about 20 minutes. And I will come back for the final review. Ooh. I hope the teeth didn't mess that up. This is what you want to see. Yes, these are hot, so please be very, very careful. You want to see. And don't do what I just did, because I'm trying to get them stuck together. That can also cause ghosting. I learned that the hard way. Set them down. Let them cool off. And cut the heat press off. Sublimation out. And I will be back for the final reveal once everything is cooled off.